Tempe, Arizona. It is 113 degrees Fahrenheit or 45 degrees centigrade, which makes this a perfect afternoon for a long bicycle ride. There are some tall cumulus clouds in the distance. Does this mean rain? We'll see. Some towering cumulonimbus clouds towards the northeast. Does that mean rain? We'll see. There is some dust towards the northeast. Let's hope it rains. Some dark clouds towards the east. Well, the wind is blowing now, and there is a dust storm. The dust is here. You can see it looks hazy. It's brown and dark, breezy. You can see the sun in a complete circle now. A few drops are falling from the sky now. Look at that sunset. Isn't it pretty? Look at the rain. Here comes the rain. Here comes the rain. Hopefully it turns into a downpour, but we'll see. It may not happen, but we'll see. That's what it looks like towards the south. Lightning and rain. You can hear the thunder. Boy, that storm towards the southeast has become big. It's just drizzling here. That's a big storm to the southeast. Look at the skies towards the north. It's almost like a painting. Well, it's dark now, and I'm headed towards the east. You can see the lightning and rain shafts coming down. Well, I missed the rain because the place is completely wet now, but I didn't get a drop. Yep, you can see the water. It rained here. What a difference 3.5 miles makes. Here, it's completely wet. Look at all the rivers on the side of the roads. Well, it's raining steadily, so you know what that means. Time for me to go out. It's getting much windier now. It's quite light, but very windy. There was a big lightning flash. Hopefully I can catch it again. Nothing, just a steady drizzle. Few drops here and there. I think it will just be a steady drizzle all night. No more downpours. I missed the bulk of it. There are some black clouds to the southwest. Will it rain? Let's see. It's getting breezy and overcast. That's some loud thunder. Raindrops are falling now, and the sky is roaring. Wow. That's exactly what it means. Time for a walk. That is a huge shower to the south. Look at that. You can see it, you can hear it. Drops are falling pretty steadily. Nothing too spectacular as of now. Okay, some big drops are falling now. It got a little heavier now. Big drops. You hear that? It is raining in sheets now. down trees, flooded neighborhoods, all part of the game when it rains here. Wet right now. Everything is completely wet right now, and it feels cold. So I'm gonna go back inside. This is what the map looks like right now and over the past hour. Here it comes again. It's not as heavy as it sounds. I think I'll go back to bed. It's just a steady rain at this point. Well, the sun is out and it's cooler and breezier now. It's quite humid, but really nice. There we go. These are the rainfall totals over the area, courtesy of Maricopa County Flood Control. You can see that the highest amount of rain was received right in my area.
This morning. And check out this video from Tempe. You can see just how strong the winds were as the rain is blowing basically sideways across that intersection. This is in the area of Guadalupe and Hardy.
This is the aftermath here in images of rain in Tempe. This is near Rural and Elliott overnight.
And just take a look at this video sent in from one of our viewers near Guadalupe and Hardy. You can see just how powerful that storm was. I want to thank our viewer Satya, always sending us some incredible photos. But look at that rain coming down.
Wow.
It's getting cloudy and breezy again. More rain, we'll see. It's sunny now, but there are some storms to the south. Will they make it here? We'll see. Wow, it became overcast pretty fast. That's a big line of storms to the south. Wow. There is the dust storm way out in the distance towards the southeast. Here comes the rain again in the daytime for a change. Look at that dust storm. Wow. Look at that dust storm to the southeast. Isn't that insane? This is the desert for you. This huge thing is getting closer now. Wow. It is coming. Wow. Look at the speed. The apocalypse is here! The apocalypse is here! That's what it looks like on the other side of it. And it's here now. I better go back inside because I can barely breathe. Wow. It's very, very windy. I can barely see a thing. All right, some big drops are falling now. It's starting to rain now. Don't I look so happy? Wow. It's coming down in sheets. Finally, some breaks in the clouds seen towards the north. Lightning, wind. Wow. Look at this. I normally come to this park and watch people play soccer, and sometimes the homeless people sleep below these drains, but not today. It's completely flooded. Am I loving it? Yes, of course I am. It is pouring non-stop. It just got heavier. It's now a drizzle. Look at all these trees that have fallen. 1, 2, and then a third one over there. Wow. Yep, the roads are flooded. some more downed trees and the relative calm after the storm. It's completely wet, but the rain has kind of tapered off and I can see some light towards the eastern skies. I'm gonna go home and see how much rain has fallen. It's still raining, just lightly. You just heard the thunder. You can see the pool now. Its level has increased and you can see the rain falling on it. Just steady. It's still quite breezy, but nothing like what it was an hour ago. And we got a little swimming pool here and the golf course. Well, the plants can stop crying for water now. Still overcast to the west. A little bit of opening towards the northeast. This is what the radar map looked like over the past 90 minutes. It's just a steady drizzle now. Still drizzling. Just some continuing steady rain, light breeze. The rain has tapered off. It's just a drizzle now. As you can see all the debris all over the place. That's an interesting crisscross pattern. Fair weather clouds have taken over the skies. And some more down trees. Gotta get on the road to avoid these. Yep, that's right. These are very, very common. These are the storm totals this evening in the Phoenix area, courtesy of Maricopa County Flood Control. You can see a wide variety of readings all across town, with my area topping the charts at almost 1.5 inches.
It is a fine, cool morning. 76.
Some more clouds up there. Round 3, we'll see. There are some storms to the west. Look at that lightning. Look at that lightning. Look at that. The wind has picked up, but I'm not sure if it's gonna rain. We'll see. Look at the lightning though. It is drizzling now. We'll see if it pours. Yep, it has rained here. Not much, just enough to wet the place. Yep, it's rained here. It's raining right now. Well, it did not rain in Scottsdale, but I got off the bus and it has rained here. I think that's all the rain we're going to see. This is Phoenix. 2 miles later, it is bone dry. Just lightning in the distance.
And it is clear and sunny, like nothing ever happened.
Some more storms towards the southwest, but I would be extremely surprised if it rained today. And the crescent moon is out, shining in all its glory.
The hardest hit areas from last night's monsoon storm, North Phoenix. The storms brought heavy rain and destructive winds in excess of 40 miles per hour. Residents along 2nd Avenue.
The tree was down and it's now chopped up. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did and would like to see more like these, then please feel free to navigate to my page, find the subscribe button, and click on it. Thank you very much, and I shall look forward to seeing you soon.